Good evening, traders, and welcome to Trades FX. It's currently Tuesday, the 13th of February 2024, and the time is just turned 13 minutes past 11 p.m. here in the UK. Traders, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a constructive, profitable trading week so far, early on in the week as we are. And also, hope you're enjoying the content that I've now been pushing out onto my YouTube channel and my other social media. Traders, if you're enjoying it, come across, subscribe to the channel, leave comments, press on the bell icon so you can get all the videos that I put out very quickly, and just help this channel to build momentum and get the word out there. So, traders, some of the times when you enter a trade or you set an order in the market, okay, that trade is not going to get triggered. And I want to have a small lesson for you here now in how I trade the markets when that happens to me. So let's be cut to the chase. Let's get into the market. Let's get into the trade, and let me just show you exactly what I'm talking about. So here we are on the daily chart of the US dollar Swiss franc. Now, you've already seen my previous video to this, my introductory video to this, whereas I was looking at getting short should price push below this bar here. Okay, so we've got this red area here, which is a level of supply above the market. Okay, oopsie daisy. And what I was looking for was for price to break the low of this bar and hopefully take me into a short position. Now, as you can see here, after the news that we've had today in the markets, and remember, all of my decisions are based on fundamentals and sentiment analysis, guys. So I'm looking for a swing down in this market. Now, what I said to you was I was just hoping for price to push down below this bar, take us in, and then hopefully continue on down to our take profit, which was down here. That, as you can see, hasn't happened. Price has strong news today, has pushed the markets through that level of supply. Okay, and has now stalled. So what's the situation here? Well, all that's really happened here is that my timing's off. What I think fundamentally and sentimentally has not changed. I'm still bearish. Okay, so I'm still looking for a level to get short at. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove that level of supply. Okay, because as you can see, price has just blown through that level of supply. So we're back in the market now, and we're looking for a level where there's confluence, where there may be some strong resistance, which is going to allow us to play off of, hopefully to go to the short side. Well, as I've been looking at this market, this is what's come to my attention. Let me take a fib retracement of the whole of this leg, from the high up here to the low down here. Okay, and look at where price stops. Price stops right just above where we are right now. Okay, so just keep that level in your mind. In fact, let me grab this horizontal line and let me just put it on there, and I'll put another one there, and I can then remove our fib retracement. And what that then allows me to do is to go into here, go into my template. Oops, I'm just about to close down. Go into my template and go 61.8, makes that turn white. Okay, and then if I template this one and go 67.8, it changes those two levels into, so I can see what they are. That's my 61.8 point fib retracement. That's my 67.8. So we have some Fibonacci just above where we were sat. What else is there? Well, let me just see if I can fatten this up, just so I can show you what I've also seen. Now, can you see, if I just spread this out, can you see this? You've got all of this red coming down here, all of this red coming down here, and right here you have one up bar for the day. Okay, price went up on that day. Okay, so that bar is supply. It's a level of supply of the market. It's a level where price stalled, okay, and wasn't able to immediately push down. Yes, it continued afterwards, but it did stall for a whole day at that level, creating supply. So I'm gonna mark out that in the market just to show you that we've got a level of supply in the market which could be significant. And let me just hover over that, go to my template and just put supply zone. Okay, so that has now created, if I bring my chart back, that has now created another level of supply. And that level of supply just happens to be at the 618 fib retracement of the complete swing. So now we have two levels of resistance, okay, confluence in this market. And now I just want to show you something else. Can you see this level here? Let me just get my arrow. Can you see this level here? That little shelf there, can you see that? If I grab a horizontal line and I place it there, it's getting a bit messy here. In fact, let me just change that horizontal line to a different color. Oopsie daisy. Let me just change that horizontal line there to a template. Let's just put it yellow. Okay. Actually, I can get rid of this yellow line here now, can't I also? So there you have a level of support in this market. And let me show you what I mean. Let me fatten this up. Let me show you what I mean. Can you see, well, you've already seen this bounce here. You've already seen that bounce there. Can you see this level of support right in here where price has come in and it's sat on that level there? Is there anything else? As I move left here, can you see how price has bounced on that yellow line there? And price has bounced on that yellow line there. And it's stalled the down move right there. Okay, this is a decent level. It's a decent level, and as you can see along the way, there is more. Is there any more? Is there any from the past? Let's go back. That's close, not quite, but there certainly is some there way back in 2021. So this, ladies and gentlemen, as I go back to the beginning of the chart, is a relatively decent level, isn't it? So I have multiple levels of support and resistance, Fibonacci, supply above the market, in a market where I'm bearish, and price is coming up to that level, isn't it? Now, price hasn't quite got there yet. Okay, price hasn't quite got there yet, and I'm just going to remove this yellow line because we've already done the analysis. And guys, just remember, okay, TradingView is not my real account. TradingView is only really where I do my technical analysis because it's such a great platform. But everything that whenever I take a trade, I go to my real account and I just mirror what I'm doing here in TradingView. So this is the level, isn't it? This in here is the level. So what I'm waiting for is price to push up, hopefully into the 618, stall, give me some reason to look short, and then I'm going to keep an eye on it. So all I'm going to do is place an alert. These alerts are brilliant. They just work. I'm just going to place an alert just there. If it allows me to, I know what to do. Let me place it just below. Add alert. And if price crosses up through that level, look for reason to get short. Now, I haven't put get short. I haven't put open a trade. I've put look for reason to get short. So this is where you really got to exercise patience. Okay, so if price, let me just move this up now that I've actually got it. Just put it there, just above the 618. Okay, so now the alert is set. And I have, as I said, I haven't put get short, take a trade. I've put look for a reason to get short, because one thing's for sure is the market very rarely turns on a dime. Okay, so I'm looking for price now to get up into that level, start to give me certain types of bars, start to give me certain types of patterns for me to potentially get short. So traders, I've not been here too long. We've been here, how long have I been here? I've been here 9 minutes, so it's a relatively long video. Let's see what happens. If I get triggered or if I get an alert, I'll start another video for you. But traders, welcome to TradesFX. Come across and subscribe, and I'll catch you all very, very soon. Take care, traders.